Hello, we are Militaryshop team.
Hi, my name is Svens,
And my name is Eduards.
and today we're gonna show you how to set up Savotta tent for the winter time, which can fit up to 20 people. Take this one. Now we're gonna take this one.
Yeah. Next stage is the make it very full. So it's fixed.
Okay, here we go.
So can you make like a part like this? Okay.
Take this one. This.
What's up?
Now we will gonna show you how to operate the Savotta stove. This stove could be used also in the improvised saunas, but you need two special accessories which you can put here and on this side. You will put like very similar metal objects over here, and then you put on rocks, put on some water, and it could be used like the sauna pot. Okay, let's take out the chimney. There's also 4 legs for the stove. Let's put it on the side. There's also 2 compartments. One is for the fuel, for the woods, and one is for the
Ashes.
ashes. Yeah. Okay, you ready? Yeah, but we have issue with the small pots. We don't have them right now. Okay, I'll do this like this.
Let's go inside.
Okay. So there's the hole. Yeah, put it like that. Yeah. And like this. Move it a little bit. Yeah.
When you're using a stove in a tent, be sure that it's stable and fixed really good. No jiggling, no nothing. Nice, safe spot. Okay, let's go. Make a fire in the stove and enjoy the evening.
Let's go, man.
Sometimes, when shit happens, we have a solution.
After the event, there's some things that you need to do with our tent and stove. One of them would be to clean the chimney. You can use snow, you can use some soft brushes if you have some, or you can use some nature things like this little stick. just put it inside the chimney and do it like this. Pretty easy.
So let's make this.
The storage bag is integrated in the tent. So you are putting tent inside the integrated bag. So there is no worries that you can lose in the event or in the woods. I will take this side.
For making
Like this, okay?
like that. This. So your suggestion is just to stack
Maybe you
it
can roll it up.
I think. Maybe we can not roll, but make it like this.
Yeah.
Then try to stack it in.
Yeah. Flip it around.
Let's roll it around.
This was a little tutorial video how to set up Savotta tent. You can buy it or rent it at Militaryshop.lv.